What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Moises back at y'all with another one and a quick Yeezy update. So as you guys can see, the Yeezy 450 Utility Black has made its way back online and is rumored to drop later this year. Now, it has not been confirmed when the release date is going to be, but it is rumored that it's going to be dropping later this year. So if you guys remember back in 2021, around November-ish, there were some sample pictures that were going around of the dark slate and the resin, and there was another pair that was in that picture. I had the pictures in the video, as you guys can see. Nobody knew what this pair was going to be called. Some people assumed that it was going to be the dark slate. Some people wish that the dark slate actually looked like this and not how it currently looks. But as you guys can see, the knitted area is that dark, true, deep black, and the sole is that charcoal, light blackish color. It looks like it's going to be the exact opposite of the dark slate. As you guys already know, the dark slate knitted area is that light charcoal black, and the sole is the dark true black. So let me know what you guys prefer. Do you think the dark slate should have been called the dark slate, or should it have been called the utility black, and the utility black should have been called the dark slate? And which sneakers do you guys think is the best? As you guys know, we had the cloud white, we had the dark slate, we had the resin, we had the cinder, and now we have the sulfur that's supposed to be coming on the horizon. And now they're saying that the 450 utility black might be dropping later this year. So let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you guys like these quick, Yeezy updates and videos that get straight to the point and keep you updated in the Yeezy community. It's your boy Moises signing out.